Today, I'll be presenting to you our home alert system. Our home alert system is based off a passive infrared sensor. This sensor contains sensitive material to infrared radiation. When a human being or an animal passes, it causes a change in pulses, and this is how movement is detected.
The people that know me best, the key that I won't forget. Too soon, can't keep on losing. Yeah. How many mistakes do it take till you leave when I'm left with my hand?
So, for our project, we use very basic instruments which are provided by MATLAB. As we know, any basic structure in electronics requires an input or out and gives an output for each input. As an input, we use a PRI motion sensor which emits electron as a reaction to movements and changing in and infrared radiation in surrounding areas. PRI sensor sends a signal which is read as a 1 or as a 0, and in case if it's 1, the movement is detected. In case if it's 0, the movement is not detected and the whole system is not triggered. After, in case if it's 1, we read the data from pin number 12 using the command read data from a pin, specifically read digital pin, and we point out that we want to read the pin number 12, and we attach to this function a value. When value is equal 1, we put it in a while loop, and in case if it's equal 1, we start sending PWM voltage signals to different pins corresponding to different LEDs and a buzzer. The first, we turn on the buzzer, which makes a sound, and then LEDs go in this very specific fashion. After this, the entire process ends by non-stopping noise of buzzer. In our goal was to create very simple yet very effective alert system, and we achieved it by using very simple yet very elegant code. And now, but the question remains: how are we gonna use this device in our everyday life or integrate this in our society? As engineers, we have to decide on it and find the solutions for it. For this reason, I would like to ask my colleague Nathan to explain for all of you how it works.
Gone too soon. Wait, we was just hanging.
Alright, so our system can be used in security systems since it senses the movement of warm-blooded bodies, and then it alerts through audio output. And it can also be used in motion detecting night lights that people have in their homes, that they put in their hallways and stuff, and as well as it can be used for motion detecting traffic lights. And then the cost of production was cheap in terms of cost per component, and then this would be helpful for things like mass production of a sensor like this.